Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing amazingly well. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload any new video. Okay, thank you once again for tuning in. Today's video we are going to be making suya, Nigeria suya, very delicious suya, guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients I'm using for the suya. This is the beef, which I have already pieces. You see how I cut it flat, not so big and not so small. Okay, and here I have my Maggi cube, I have my grounded pepper here, I have my salt. Here is nutmeg. This is optional. I just decided to put it because it goes with it, but if you don't have it to use it, you can as well leave it out. Here is my ginger powder. Here is my seasoning powder. And here is the suya spice. Here I have my, oh sorry, this one is garlic powder. I said ginger. This is garlic powder. And here I have this ginger water here. I don't have ginger in powder. That is why I decided to use this one. You can blend it, sieve it, and then use the water. So I'm going to be using this ginger water. Okay, so that's all for the ingredients. And right now I'm going to start by adding everything to the meat. Okay, so I'm done adding everything, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage everything together into the meat. My hands are clean, okay? But if you have hand glove, you can wear hand glove because of the pepper, okay? But my hands are clean. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Mixing the whole thing, as you can see. So the next thing now, I'm just going to start putting the meat into the skewers. Just putting them in here. I'm already preheating my oven, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them in here like so. This is actually where the little work is. Putting them in here. This is where the little work is. Not much work though. Okay, so basically this is how I'm going to be doing everything till I'm done putting the whole thing. You have to put like 4 pieces. I put 4 pieces so that you can have enough space to space out the meat so it can dry very well. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing to all. So I am done putting the whole meat into the skewers, as you can see. So the next step now is for me to start dipping it into the sauce, the suya sauce. Okay, so suya spice sauce, whatever. So I'll do it like so. Let me bring it closer. Hope you guys can see. Like this. You need to let the meat absorb the suya spice. Okay. But meanwhile, while you're saucing your meat, make sure you don't over salt it or over pepper it. Okay. Make sure you do not add too much salt or too much pepper or too much spice, because once you over salt your suya, that's the end of it. You won't feel the good taste at all. Okay. So this is what we have. So this is how I'm going to do the whole thing until I am done putting everything in it. This is how I'm going to do the whole thing. Make sure to sauce it very well. So this is how I'm going to do the whole thing till I'm done putting the meat into the suya spice. Okay, this is how I'm going to do the whole thing. Like so. It looks so beautiful, like it looks so nice. So nice, guys. Okay guys, so I'm done saucing the whole thing, and this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Looks so beautiful, like looks so good, guys. Looks so good. So right now I'm just gonna put it into the oven. Okay, I'm gonna put it into the oven. I have been preheating the oven, so right now I'm just gonna put it into the oven to get cooked. Okay, so that's the next step. So that is it, guys. It's right inside the oven, and you might want to put something down the plate of your oven, because water will be dropping from the meat. Okay, you might want to put something to absorb the water so that it doesn't stain the rest of the oven. Okay, so I'm just going to put in this here, so the water that will be dropping down will be entering into the paper. And right now I'm just going to cover it like that and reduce it to I was preheating it with 250. Now I'm going to reduce it to 100. Okay, I've reduced it to 100, and this is how it's going to cook. Okay, till I check it and see that it is well cooked, and then I will bring it out and do the next thing. Okay, I'll see you guys later when it's cooked and ready to do the next step. I'll let you guys know. Until then, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has changed color already. So right now I want to bring it out and do the next step, which is rubbing oil on it, rubbing vegetable oil on the body. That's the next thing to do. So let's go into it. So here is my vegetable oil, and I'm just going to use this brush to put the oil on the meat like so. The meat is done already. It is cooked already. So I've just got to put it like this and then put it back in the oven. So I am done putting the oil on the meat, and once again I'm going to return the meat into the oven and leave it to dry very well. Then I will bring it out. It is almost ready, as this that I just did is the last process. So I'm putting it back in the oven right now. So once again, it is back into the oven, and I'm going to leave it here for about 30 minutes to dry very well. It may not get up to 30 minutes though, but 30 minutes, let me just say 30 minutes, okay? It may get less than that, but I'm just going to leave it here for 30 minutes to dry very well, and then I will bring it out, okay? Okay guys, so our suya is finally ready. Isn't that looking good? Isn't that looking good? Yeah, our suya is finally ready. It's looking so delicious, so yummy, so good. Like, I can't wait to download this, you know. And if you're from Nigeria, if you know, there's no suya without newspaper. So here I have my newspaper here. This is it, okay? So I'm just gonna bring out from here, put into the newspaper, and then slice in my onions, cucumber, and cabbage. That's what we are using to eat the suya, okay? So I'm just gonna take some from here, and then come and buy suya. 50 naira, 100 naira. It's not expensive. Come and buy suya, come and buy suya. So this is the final stage. This is the final stage. It's so delicious, guys. It looks so good. It tastes so good too. It tastes like, it tastes is, this my suya is actually more delicious than Aboki's own, oh, trust me. Yes, I'm rating myself, guys. Honestly, the suya looks so good. Trust me, it looks so good. It looks so good, guys. 50 naira suya, 100 naira. Come and buy, come and buy, come and patronize me, oh. Come and patronize me. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Isn't that looking good? So right now, I'm going to slice in the onions, the cucumber, and the cabbage. That's what we are using to eat it, okay? And I'll show you guys when I'm done. So this is the end result, guys. This is the final stage. Isn't that looking good? That is looking absolutely great, and it tastes so good too, guys. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you learned something. Please give me thumbs up, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.